In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung Calendar country. First, we begin by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. You can find this app represented by a gear icon, usually located on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you into the Settings menu where you can adjust various configurations. This step is crucial because accessing the settings is the gateway to changing the region settings that affect your calendar features. Once you are in the settings, you will notice a variety of options available, all designed to help you tailor your device to your preferences. Next, we will tap on General Management. This option is typically located towards the bottom of the settings menu. Selecting General Management allows you to access several important settings that relate to language and input. It's significant to navigate here because this is where you will find the tools needed to adjust your device's language settings and, consequently, its regional settings. Once you tap General Management, you will see the options available for changing language, input methods, and more. Now let's tap on Language. This section is where you can manage the languages used on your device. It is essential to select the correct language for your preferred country because many regional calendar features depend on this setting. When you tap on Language, you will see a list of available languages. This list may vary depending on your device model and software version. Take a moment to look through the options available. Once you are in the language menu, it's time to select the language for your preferred country, if available. This step is important because the language you choose will also influence your calendar settings and regional features. If you see your desired language listed, tap on it to select it. Should the language not be available, you may need to consider a different option or check for updates to your device that might include more languages. This ensures that your calendar reflects the correct regional settings. After selecting your preferred language, the final step in this process is to restart your phone. Restarting your device is a simple yet effective action. It ensures that all changes you made are applied properly. Once you restart, your Samsung device will refresh and integrate the new language settings throughout the system. This step is vital because some regional calendar features depend on the language and region settings, and a restart helps to activate those features. After your phone has restarted, you can explore the calendar app to see how the changes have affected it. You may notice new features or different formats that align with the country settings you selected. By following these steps, you have successfully changed the country settings for your Samsung calendar. This small adjustment can enhance your experience and make it more relevant to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.